Oh my god. So, we didn't know, but there's still an hour to go and it's pitch black and it's raining. And we're soaked. Everything is soaked.
You're probably wondering how we got here. 20% idiocracy. 45% luck. 90% good mechanics. And 100% adventure. This is Mustang, vlog number 2 on our motorcycle adventures in the Himalayas. And if you're still here, I appreciate you. And if you're still confused as to how we got here, check out the full vlog on my YouTube channel, Searing Wide. Now, if I could just get this damn thing to